everyone, and welcome to RestoModZ Episode 2, Front End Teardown. In this episode, I'm going to be pulling off the fender's hood and stripping the engine bay for seam welding. Yikes, that was a scary feeling the whole way. Not so bad, it's not so bad. Keep those, wire wheel those. Okay, there'll be one in the door, another 12. Okay, here we're removing some of the bolts here for the passenger side fender. Spray some PB blaster on them. These bolts have been sitting on this car for a long time. I'll let this one sit. Let's see how it goes. Oh. Oh, baby. It's just rusted on the back side. Just work it. Show you the fun trick with these. And these are weird slices. Get those loose and I'll just use my gun. Take the two bottom ones out. Then the hood will fall down. Just kind of set it. Come back. Take the other two. Get this one. Hood falls down, folds itself up. I was gonna put it on the roof of my car. Okay. Such a pretty blue. Not happy with this. Okay. Softly. Gently. Yikes. Okay. Hood's off. Wow, it's so much brighter now. I'm gonna put all the hardware back in, my hinges. Hopefully the car doesn't tip. Okay, I think we're okay in the front. Most of the weight's in the back of the car right now anyway. Okay. We have a 10. Bitch. Okay, so here I'm using a punch that I ground a point to, and I'm using a hammer and a punch to mark the center location on the spot welds of all these brackets in the engine bay. And this punch is going to help align our drill bit Okay, so we got our drill. I think this is about a 3/8 inch drill bit. It's about the size of the spot weld. I couldn't find my spot weld drill bit, so this will do just fine. We're going to use our drill on the center of our punch. Sorry for the poor camera angle here. I had the camera strapped to my head, so. So we don't want to drill all the way through. We just want to drill until we break the first layer of metal and that we can wiggle the piece loose. A lot of these brackets are for original equipment, such as charcoal canister box and fuel filter mounts.
Looks a lot better, man. Ay,
A lot of this is the factory body harness and engine harness hold downs. So we're going to get rid of all this. We're going with custom wiring on this car. We're going with custom wiring and a shaved engine bay on this car, so we want to get rid of all these brackets and panels. Pretty much anything that's poking out right now that we can get rid of and smoothen is what I'm going for. Okay, so now I'm going to take my hammer and flat pointy chisel, and I'm going to go between the two layers of metal and tap until the brackets break away. I didn't get real good footage of this. However, it's pretty easy to do once you get your spot welds cut through most of the way. Just some light tapping on the hammer should break these brackets right off. If they don't pop right off, you need to drill just a little bit further on your spot welds. Okay, so back on the fender, I had some PV blaster sitting on these bolts. Doing this kind of work really makes a big mess.
Okay, fender's off.
Alright, so here we go. We got ourselves a before photo. And here's our after picture. This is all our seams, for the most part, cleaned up and all our brackets removed. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you didn't like it, dislike the video. Go ahead and subscribe as well. And for more updates on this Datsun build, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.